Hi there. I'm going to show you some new collaboration features available with your core Microsoft license that will make it much easier to see the best days to visit the office and connect in person with your co-workers and colleagues. Places is a product of many parts, and one of those parts is workplace presence and collaboration. And some of those features have been woven into new calendar in Outlook and Teams, and that's what we're going to take a look at here. So you may have noticed that you have these location fields in your calendar. This Tuesday, the 20th, I'm remote. Wednesday, the 21st, I'm in the office. So how do we set these up? We can set up our schedule by going to the settings, work hours and location, and here I can define where I am on a given week. So let's take a look at Wednesday, 21st. I'm due to be in the office. If I tap on this icon, this opens what's called the Places card. By default, when I get to say where I am, I have a choice of in the office or remote, or not working at all. On Wednesday 21st, I'm in the office, and it says, look, also in the office are these colleagues of yours, Jim, John and Lucas. But which office? So out of the box, you just have this generic term called office. It doesn't specify which office you're in. This is okay if you've only got one building. But if you have more than one building, different sites, different cities, it's not very useful if these colleagues are working in different cities. So what do you get with a little bit of configuration work? Well, firstly, if you enable Microsoft Places in your environment and you configure the buildings at the very minimum, then you have more fine-grained control on this. And rather than just saying, I'm in the office, I can now specify which building I'm in. And we've got 3 buildings set up here in our demo system. So if I say I'm in the College Green office, it now refines my display. It says, look, also in the College Green office is Jim. So this becomes much more useful. This functionality works alongside your regular Outlook Room Finder and Teams Room Booking, so that if you plan to visit the office to connect with 5 co-workers, you can use the service that you're used to. As always, if you have any questions on this, you want any help with it, you just want to have a chat with us, please get in touch.